Courtesy. Courtesy means good manners and polite behavior in our daily life. It is a small act that has a great impact. A courteous person is respected and loved by everyone. Courtesy costs nothing but gives a lot in return. Saying simple words like please, thank you, sorry, and excuse me shows that a person has good manners and respects others. Courtesy is the key to success in both personal and professional life. It reflects a person's character, upbringing, and education. A student who behaves politely with teachers and classmates becomes a good example for others. A shopkeeper who deals with customers in a respectful way earns more trust and business. Even in difficult situations, a courteous person remains calm and respectful. Islam also teaches us to be kind, respectful, and humble. Our beloved Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, was the most courteous and kind person. He always treated people with respect, love, and care, no matter who they were. We should follow his example in our lives. Courtesy helps in building a peaceful and friendly society. It reduces anger, hatred, and misunderstandings. When we treat others kindly, they treat us the same way. It spreads love and positivity. In conclusion, courtesy is a great virtue that makes life beautiful. We should always be polite and respectful to everyone at home, at school, and in society. It makes us better human beings and helps us live in harmony. Moral: courtesy costs nothing but buys everything.